This is the sixth and final training video, and this video is for task 5, checking for late work. Now again, you'll have probably around 12 courses that you'll do over a 6-week period, and this is a really critical piece because you will see as I show you how to check for late work that it's very easy for faculty to overlook it. And so I wanted to show you we're in Marketing 300. You will go to the course dashboard, open Grader. And again, all we're doing on Friday for this task is looking for late work. So if you go to week 1 assignment, again, we're not checking feedback because we've already done that. We are looking, if there's a grade here, then I don't even look to the left because obviously there was a submission. So we're just going to click through the users on the right. There's a 0, but you see over here, there's nothing to display. So that's fine. 100, so we keep going. Here we go. This is exactly what we're looking for. So a 0, and we want to look down here, and it says you did not submit an assignment this week. So since Ronald submitted this 12 days late, and because we put a 0 in that place, Moodle Rooms does not alert that there's a late submission because we put a 0 in. If we weren't putting zeros in, then it would show up as needing required grading. So this is an example where I will make a note. I will blind copy you. I will email Dr. John Small and let him know that in Marketing 300, Ronald submitted his week 1 assignment late and to please grade it. So we'll keep going. You'll see this literally just takes like 2 minutes per course. Well, per week, per course. So 98. We're fine with that. Don't even need to look. 90, 0, but there's nothing to display. We keep going. 100, 0, nothing to display. Keep going. 100. Okay, and we're back to the beginning. That's week 1, but we're in week 3. So we're going to go check week 2 assignment. You can see he's already graded, so 100, 0, nothing to display. 100, 0, so let's go look. Ronald, you did not submit, so again, Ronald's getting caught up, so I will alert him that Ronald submitted week 1 and week 2, and to please grade that. So I just made a note, and you would make a note on your Excel sheet. Okay, Kyra has 100, no need to even look. 100, 90, 0, but nothing to display, nothing was submitted. 100, 0, nothing submitted. 0, nothing submitted, and we're back to the beginning. So each week, when you come in here for week 3 or week 4 or week 5 or week 6, you need to click on the week 1 assignment, the week 2 assignment. There's no assignment for week 3, week 4 assignment, week 5. That's because there's a test and it's auto-graded. So weeks 1, 2, 4, and 5 in this course have an assignment. Each time you need to check all the weeks, because again, if a student submitted something late, that's part of your role. That's task number 5, checking for late work. So I will blind copy you on the email to Dr. Small. And that is it for this video. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.